I find from being in this industry that the way people launder their clothes now is way different to how they laundered them 20 or 30 years ago. So these days we all want wash and wear, no iron, you know, we just want really easy stuff. And that's great, but you still have to pay attention to the care instructions. Don't, for example, if you've got something that's white or a light coloured item, do not put them in with something with a strong colour or black. It'll discolour them. It doesn't matter how easy care the item is, it will over time discolour them. So read the care instructions is super important, but we also provide, with every single order we send out, we provide specific care instructions for the garments that you're receiving. We put it on a sheet of paper about that big so your team can't miss it, and I just always like to, you know, stress to the business owners, we've put it in there, don't let them ruin your investment. You know, like from a business owner point of view, they're investing the money in their team to represent their business in a professional way, in the way that they want to be represented. So if they're not laundering the garments properly and in a couple of months they're looking really tatty, that doesn't fit with the whole reason that they did this in the first place. So you want your team to look after your investment, and so we always stress to them to please ask their team to read the care instructions and to follow them. If you don't, and yep, you get a cotton t-shirt and you chuck it in the dryer, yep, you can shrink it. If you really have a go, you could shrink it 2 to 3 sizes without too much trouble at all. So it's really important to follow the instructions on the label and the care instructions that we put in. They're specific for every single order.